Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving deep into the heart of any stunning landscape, the flower garden bed. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny corner, a well-planned garden bed can completely transform your home's curb appeal. Flower garden bed is a specifically designated area within a landscape or yard where soil has been prepared to grow flowering plants, shrubs, and ornamentals. Unlike a wild meadow, a garden bed is a curated space that often features defined borders to separate it from the lawn or pathways. It serves as a living canvas where homeowners can express their personal style through colors, textures, and scents. Essentially, it is an intentional arrangement of nature designed to highlight the beauty of flora while providing a structured environment for plants to thrive. Having a flower garden bed offers numerous rewards that go far beyond simple aesthetics. From an environmental standpoint, these beds act as vital sanctuaries for pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, helping to support your local ecosystem. For the homeowner, gardening is a proven way to reduce stress and improve mental well-being, providing a peaceful retreat right outside your door. Additionally, a well-maintained flower bed significantly increases your property value by enhancing curb appeal. They also allow for better soil management and drainage compared to planting directly into a rough lawn, ensuring your favorite blooms have the best possible chance to flourish season after season. Decorating a flower garden bed requires a mix of artistic vision and practical planning to make your bed look professional and beautiful. Start with the concept of layering. Place taller plants like delphiniums or sunflowers at the back, medium-height flowers in the middle, and low-growing ground covers or borders at the front. Incorporate a variety of textures by mixing broadleafed plants with feathery ferns or ornamental grasses. Don't be afraid to use color theory. You can create a high-energy look with complementary colors like purple and yellow, or a soothing vibe with monochromatic shades of pink and white. Adding decorative elements such as garden gnomes, elegant solar lights, or a classic bird bath can provide a focal point that keeps the garden looking interesting even when some flowers are out of season. Finally, always finish with a fresh layer of dark mulch to make the colors of your plants pop and keep the area looking tidy. The foundation of a great flower bed lies in the materials you choose for both the structure and the soil. For the edging or containment, natural stone, brick, and retresistant wood like cedar or redwood are the gold standards, offering a timeless look that withstands the elements. If you prefer a modern aesthetic, metal edging, or high-quality composite materials provide clean, sharp lines. Beyond the borders, the most critical material is the soil itself. A rich blend of organic compost, peat moss, and topsoil is essential for providing the nutrients your flowers crave. For finishing touches, organic mulches like cedar bark or pine straw are excellent for moisture retention and weed suppression, while decorative gravel or river stones can be used in specific sections to add a dry creek bed effect or to improve drainage in low-lying areas. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best flower garden bed ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The perfect circular island bed. This design features a perfectly round garden bed situated in the center of a lush green lawn. It is bordered by natural gray river stones that provide a rustic yet clean edge. Inside, the bed is densely packed with a variety of colorful hydrangeas and lush greenery, creating a 360-degree view of vibrant blooms that acts as a stunning centerpiece for any backyard. 2. The winding ribbon border. A beautiful example of how to use curves to add movement to your yard. This long, undulating garden bed is defined by a low red brick border that separates the vibrant purple lobelia and bright red geraniums from the grass. The height increases toward the wooden fence, where taller shrubs and climbing vines create a lush, multi-dimensional wall of color. Raised stone sanctuary. Using stacked cobblestone blocks, this raised garden bed creates a formal and tidy look against a brick house wall. The elevation allows for excellent drainage and showcases a cheerful mix of bright orange lilies and pink zinnias. This style, it's perfect for those who want to prevent soil erosion and keep their garden looking structured and organized. 4. The wildflower mound. This idea focuses on a mound style where plants are grouped by height, and volume 2 create a mini mountain of color, featuring large clusters of black-eyed Susans and purple sedum. This bed utilizes a thin stone border to keep the wild look contained. It is an excellent choice for filling large gaps in a landscape with low maintenance, high-impact perennials. 5. The cottage fence garden, a whimsical and dense arrangement that hugs a white picket or wooden fence. This bed is overflowing with red and pink petunias, hanging baskets, and climbing greenery. It uses various heights and even garden accessories like old ladders and vintage clocks to create a charming peeled-in feel that maximizes vertical space. 6. Elegant curved planter box. This modern take on the traditional planter uses curved wooden slats to create a soft L-shaped organic shape on the lawn. Inside, a sophisticated mix of red roses and lavender-colored accents provides a romantic and fragrant display. The wood's warm tones contrast beautifully with the cool greens of the grass, making it a standalone piece of garden art. 7. Tiered timber retaining bed, perfect for sloped yards or adding architectural interest. This design uses dark-stained heavy timbers to create multiple levels of planting space. Each step can host a different variety of plants from wispy ornamental grasses to delicate purple flowers, transforming a flat fence line into a majestic, three-dimensional garden feature. 8. The rock-trimmed perennial hub. This large island-style bed uses oversized, jagged white rocks to create a bold and naturalistic perimeter. The center is dominated by architectural plants with long, spiky leaves, surrounded by a carpet of pink and red bedding plants. It's a great way to incorporate a rugged look into a soft, floral landscape. 9. The minimalist tulip frame, simple yet striking. This rectangular wooden frame is dedicated entirely to a dense planting of tulips. By grouping colors like pink, orange, and deep red together in a structured box, you create a powerful color block effect that is breathtaking during the spring season. It's an easy weekend project for a clean, contemporary garden look. 10. The grand front yard showpiece. This massive, professionally landscaped bed follows the curve of the home's architecture. It features a thick stone border and a meticulously layered selection of white alyssum, red salvia, and tall yellow perennials. This design is built for maximum curb appeal, ensuring that every visitor is greeted by a symphony of color and texture, creating the perfect flower. Garden bed is a journey of patience and creativity, but as you can see, the results are absolutely worth it. Whether you go for a structured stone border or a wild winding path of blooms, your garden is an extension of your home and your personality. We hope these ideas have inspired you to grab your shovel and start planning your next outdoor masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video and found these garden bed ideas helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new project. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your gardening journeys.